Let's try Dragon Ball drinks. Goku Black, which is peach flavor. Okay, this tastes similar to that Red Bull peach flavor. It's basically the fuzzy peach candy melted down and added to sparkling water. And there's absolutely no cough syrup taste, which is nice. Of course, it's not an energy drink, so I wouldn't expect that. I'm giving this a 7.7 out of 10. Golden Frieza, which is passion fruit. I don't know if it's because I've been drinking a lot of energy drinks recently, but this is slightly giving me cough syrup vibes, just a bit. It's almost like passion fruit plus a drop of cough syrup. I'm giving this maybe a 4.7 out of 10. Super Saiyan Rose, which is melon flavor. Smells like a cantaloupe. It tastes like one of those Asian candies you get after you finish a meal at a Chinese restaurant. Those small green ones, pretty much like that, but in liquid form. I'm going to give this a 7.2 out of 10. Gohan, which is white grape flavor. Smells like grape candy. I don't know if it's white grape, but every time I smell this, I always imagine that purple grape candy. I'm giving this a 7.4 out of 10. Frieza, which is orange. It tastes like Orange Crush, but just not as sweet. The flavor is pretty much spot on. I'm giving this a 7.9 out of 10. So this is Super Saiyan white apple flavor. Smells like apple juice. It's a weird apple aftertaste. The aftertaste is almost like when you leave an apple outside for a long period of time. It feels dry and almost not as juicy. I'm giving this a 5.4 out of 10.